The Arabs, also known as the Arab people, are an ethnic group and nation mainly inhabiting the Arab world in Western Asia, North Africa, the Horn of Africa, Western Indian Ocean Islands, and Southern Europe. The Arab diaspora is established around the world in significant numbers. In the Americas, Western Europe, Indonesia, Turkey, India and Iran. In modern usage the term refers to those whose native language is Arabic and identify as such. This contrasts with the narrower traditional definition which referred to the descendants of the tribes of the Arabian Peninsula. Islam started in Arabia. Arabic is the language of Islamic scripture, and most Arabs are Muslims. However, only about 20% of Muslims are Arabs. The first mention of Arabs appeared in the mid-9th century BCE as a tribal people in eastern and southern Syria and the northern Arabian Peninsula. The Arabs appear to have been under the vassalage of the Neo-Assyrian Empire, Seleucid and Parthian Empire. The Nabateans, an Arab people, formed their kingdom near Petra in the 3rd century BCE. Arab tribes, most notably the Ghassanids and Lakhmids, begin to appear in the southern Syrian desert from the mid-3rd century CE onward, during the mid to later stages of the Roman and Sasanian Empire. Before the expansion of the Rashidun Caliphate, Abbasid and the Fatimid Caliphates, whose borders reached southern France in the west, China in the east, Anatolia in the north and the Sudan in the south. This was one of the largest land empire in history. In the early 20th century, the First World War signaled the end of the Ottoman Empire, which had ruled much of the Arab world since conquering the Mamluk Sultanate in 1517. The end culminated in the 1922 defeat and dissolution of the empire and the partition of its territories, forming the modern Arab states. Following the adoption of the Alexandria Protocol in 1944, the Arab League was founded on the 22nd of March 1945. The Charter of the Arab League endorsed the principle of an Arab homeland whilst respecting the individual sovereignty of its member states. Today, Arabs primarily inhabit the 22 member states of the Arab League. The Arab world stretches around 13 million square kilometers, from the Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Arabian Sea in the east and from the Mediterranean Sea in the north to the Horn of Africa and the Indian Ocean in the southeast. People of non-Arab ethnicities associated with non-Arabic languages also live in these countries, sometimes as a majority. These include Somalis, Kurds, Berbers, the Afar people, Nubians and others. Beyond the boundaries of the League of Arab States, Arabs can also be found in the global diaspora. The ties that bind Arabs are ethnic, linguistic, cultural, historical, identical, nationalist, geographical and political. The Arabs have their own customs, language, architecture, art, literature, music, dance, media, cuisine, dress, society, sports and mythology. Arabs are a diverse group in terms of religious affiliations and practices. In the pre-Islamic era, most Arabs followed polytheistic religions. Some tribes had adopted Christianity or Judaism, and a few individuals, the Hanifs, apparently observed another form of monotheism. Today, about 93% of Arabs are adherents of Islam and there are sizable Christian minorities. Arab Muslims primarily belong to the Sunni, Shiite, Ibadi and Alawite denominations. Arab Christians generally follow one of the Eastern Christian churches, such as those within the Oriental Orthodox churches, Eastern Catholic churches, or Eastern Protestant churches. There also exist small numbers of Arab Jews still living in Arab countries and a much larger population of Jews descended from Arab Jewish communities living in Israel and various Western countries, who may or may not consider themselves Arab today. Christian minorities in Arab-majority states may also not consider themselves Arab, such as Copts and Assyrians. Other smaller minority religions also exist, such as the Druze, Zoroastrianism and the Bahá'í Faith. Arabs have greatly influenced and contributed to diverse fields, notably the arts and architecture, language, philosophy, mythology, ethics, literature, politics, business, music, dance, cinema, medicine, science and technology in ancient and modern history. The earliest documented use of the word Arab in reference to a people appears in the Kirk monoliths, an Akkadian language record of the Assyrian conquest of Aram. The related word Arab is used to refer to Bedouins today, in contrast to Arab, which refers to Arabs in general. Both terms are mentioned around 40 times in pre-Islamic Sabaean inscriptions. The term Arab occurs also in the titles of the Himyarite kings from the time of Abu Karab Asad until Madi Karib Yafur. According to Sabaean grammar, the term Arab is derived from the term Arab. The term is also mentioned in Quranic verses, referring to people who were living in Medina, and it might be a South Arabian loanword into Kur.